Now to start off with the ram from 99 Nights in the Forest, let's begin up here with the eyes. So I'm going to begin by making an oval shape for one eye, and you can see it's almost kind of at an angle a little bit. It's not going straight up and down, it's kind of more angled. And then we're going to leave a little bit of space, and we'll try to make that exact same oval over here, and it's okay if it's not the exact same. Next, we're going to make the pupils. So we're going to make these little sideways ovals in here and just kind of color them in. Do the same thing over here, kind of similar to what you would see in like a goat's eye. Now for the nose, let's draw a line that's just going to come up and down by the eyes. We're going to bring this line in on each side, and then we're just going to make a line to connect it. For the nose, let's draw a line across. Then we're going to go down and up in a triangle shape. And we can just go ahead and color this part in. Now, starting here by the eye, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out, and then I'm going to bring it over. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to bring this line out, and I'm going to bring it over. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm going to curve this up. And we'll do another one. We're going to go down, and then just curve it up for the mouth. Then down here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and up, and then down and back up for the beard. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, put a couple points, and then we'll bring it down. Now for the horn, I'm going to start by drawing a line that's just going to go up and curve. And I'll do that same thing here, just bring this up and then curve. Then I'm going to make one that's just going to curve up here, and then I'm going to come down like this. Same thing here, we're just going to bring this line up, and then we're just going to curve this down and up to here. I'm going to bring this line up to a point and down. And same thing here, bring this line up to a point and down. Then I'm going to curve this line to here. And then I'm going to curve this line to here. I'm going to bring this line out and then back here for the ear. And then same thing, bring this line out and then back. I'm going to make a few little curved lines on here for some details on the top of the ram's horns. We're just going to bring these to about there. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come out with a couple points. And then same thing here, we're going to make this come out with a couple points. Then I'm going to bring a line down and then another line down over here for the body. I'm going to make this line come out, and then I'm going to make this line kind of come out here at an angle. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down for a thumb, and we'll do the same thing here, kind of curve it up and down. Then I'm going to go out, down, and bring this back for a finger. We'll do another one here, and then one more here, and bring it back for the hand. Same thing here, we're going to kind of come up and down with a point. Then we're just going to make a couple more here and bring it up for the hand. I'm going to bring this back with a few points, and then I'm going to curve it in. Same thing here, we're going to put a few little points on here to make it look furry, and then we'll curve it in. I'm also going to put a little zigzag right across here. Next, for the legs, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come out with a curve. Same thing, kind of a couple little points, and then make it come down with a curve. We'll make these lines come in a little bit. Then we're going to go down and over. Same thing here, just go down and then bring it over. I'm going to make this line kind of come up, and it's going to get much smaller as it goes up. Then we're going to curve this in here. So we're just going to kind of curve this in. And then we'll just connect this line. I'm going to make a little zigzag line right across. And then we'll make two little bumpy shapes in here for like the hooves. And there you go. There is your drawing of the ram from 99 Nights in the Forest. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.